Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon from pork belly. First, select a good quality pork belly, ideally weighing between 3 and 5 pounds. Next, prepare your curing mixture using a precise ratio of salt, sugar, and your preferred spices. Apply this mixture thoroughly to all surfaces of the pork belly, ensuring even coverage. Then, refrigerate the belly for about 7 to 10 days to allow the cure to penetrate fully. After curing, it's crucial to rinse the pork belly very well under cold, running water to remove excess cure. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. Then, place the belly on a wire rack, uncovered, in your refrigerator. This air drying step is important for developing a good pellicle, which helps smoke adhere. Allow it to dry for at least 12 to 24 hours. Now, it's time to smoke your bacon. Preheat your smoker to a low temperature, ideally around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the dried pork belly directly onto the smoker grates. Smoke the belly until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes between 3 and 5 hours, depending on the thickness of your pork belly and your smoker's consistency. Once smoked, remove the bacon from the smoker and let it cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate the bacon for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Chilling makes it much easier to slice. Finally, slice your homemade bacon to your preferred thickness. You can store the sliced bacon in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.